Welcome to this case study on Velmenni's LiFi Leap, the final push to market, brought to you as part of the Skilled MBA case study series. In this session, we will explore the journey of India's first LiFi startup, which has reached a critical crossroads after technological breakthroughs but continues to struggle with commercialization and revenue generation. How should Velmenni navigate its next strategic move? Founded in 2014, Velmenni is India's first startup dedicated to light fidelity or LiFi technology. LiFi uses visible light for high-speed wireless communication, offering a promising alternative to Wi-Fi. While Velmenni has successfully demonstrated its technology, it now faces significant challenges in scaling operations and securing consistent revenue. Velmenni stands at a crucial juncture. It has achieved technological success through successful pilot projects, but is struggling to generate sustained revenue. The company is facing a financial crunch, raising concerns about its future viability. The pandemic has exacerbated these challenges, forcing a strategic reassessment. Like many startups, Velmenni has been severely impacted by the pandemic. Funding delays have arisen as investors hesitate due to economic uncertainty. The conversion of pilot projects into paying customers has stalled, affecting revenue flow. Additionally, operational challenges have led to key team members leaving the company. These setbacks make Velmenni's next strategic move even more critical. Velmenni's leadership must consider the interests of several key stakeholders. The CEO and founder face a critical decision point between survival and revival. Investors who were once keen on funding the company are now hesitant due to uncertain market conditions. Potential customers, particularly in telecom, defense, and smart city projects, could play a decisive role in proving the market viability of LiFi technology. Velmenni is considering three potential strategic paths. First, licensing its technology to generate immediate funds while downsizing operations. Second, pushing for commercialization by securing more paid pilot projects to demonstrate viability to investors. Third, pausing operations to preserve intellectual property and wait for more favorable market conditions. Each option comes with distinct risks and rewards. Velmenni has several strengths that position it well for future success. As India's first LiFi startup, it enjoys a first-mover advantage. Its technological edge is well established through successful pilot implementations. Additionally, the niche nature of LiFi presents a promising alternative to traditional wireless communication technologies. Despite its strengths, Velmenni faces significant challenges. A limited financial runway threatens continued operations. The high costs of research and development make further expansion difficult. Additionally, the company's small team has been further strained due to departures following pandemic-related setbacks. Several opportunities exist for Velmenni's growth. Licensing deals could create partnerships with telecom, defense, or smart city initiatives. Global interest in alternative communication technologies is rising, opening new market prospects. Additionally, niche markets that require secure, interference-free data transfer could provide an entry point for commercialization. However, external threats pose serious challenges. Investor hesitancy remains a significant barrier to securing funding. Large corporate competitors, including global tech giants, are beginning to explore LiFi technology. Market adoption has been slower than expected, with infrastructure readiness remaining a major bottleneck. Velmenni's situation highlights four key strategic concepts. First, technology commercialization, the challenge of turning breakthrough innovations into market-ready products. Second, strategic pivoting, the ability to adapt business models in response to economic downturns. Third, startup resilience, navigating funding gaps and team losses while maintaining progress. And finally, innovation diffusion, overcoming barriers to market adoption for cutting-edge technologies. One possible path is to license Velmenni's LiFi technology to external companies. This would generate immediate cash flow, alleviating financial pressure. Downsizing operations would further reduce ongoing costs. However, licensing would limit Velmenni's control over the technology's future direction, potentially impacting long-term market positioning. A second approach is to push for commercialization by securing paid pilot projects. This strategy involves restructuring the team for efficiency, targeting high-impact customers willing to pay for pilots, and using successful implementations to attract further investment. Scaling operations would then follow based on demonstrated market demand. This approach requires focused execution but offers strong long-term growth potential. The third option is to temporarily pause operations. This would help preserve financial resources and minimize the company's burn rate. Velmenni would protect its intellectual property while waiting for more favorable market conditions. However, this approach risks losing momentum and industry relevance. Relaunching later would require a refined strategy and new investment. To determine the best course of action, Velmenni must assess each option against 5 key criteria. Strategic alignment. Does the option support the long-term vision? Growth potential. Which strategy offers the best upside? Team capability. Can the existing team execute the plan effectively? Investor appeal. Which path is most attractive to potential funders? And finally, cash requirements. How much capital is needed for implementation? Based on the analysis, a multi-step strategy is recommended. First, secure at least 2 high-impact paid pilot projects to prove market viability. Second, explore selective, non-exclusive licensing deals to balance cash flow with IP control. Third, rebuild a lean core team focused on clear commercialization milestones. Finally, document success cases and refine the investment proposal for when market conditions improve. Thank you for exploring Velmenni's LiFi Leap, the final push to market. Brought to you as part of the Skilled MBA case study series. This case highlights the challenges of commercializing frontier technology and the critical strategic decisions required for long-term success.